Okay, previously we already made this part, right? Now we continue to make another part, and while we exercise, we try and practice how to use this object. I mean this tool. Okay, now try to open new file. Click open and click standard again. Okay, now we try to make another part here. Just click to the sketch like usual. If we use click, we use XZ plane. Okay, this is our center line, and we try to make one object. We using a rectangle. Okay, we use 2-point rectangle, or we can use rectangle. Okay, we use this one, yeah, for our exercise rectangle. Just click like this. Okay, and then we try to constrain it. Click horizontal. We click horizontal and bring it here. Click vertical. You go to vertical line. Click this part and this part. So it will be in the middle. Right, now we give the dimension for this part. Give the dimension. Okay, for example, here is 50, and this one is 25. Okay, now we try to extrude it. Yeah, extrude. Okay. Mm. Then we try to make extrude for this sketch. Yeah, give, for example, here is uh, 20, will be like that. Yeah, give 20. Click. Okay, we can try flip it also can. We can click this one symmetric also can. Yeah, but I will use this. Click. Okay. Okay, for taper, if you want to try, it also can. It will be like this. Yeah. For example, if you tap it become 3 degrees, for example, it will be like this. For example, or 10 degrees, it will be like this. If you use minus, it will be like this. For example, we use minus, so it will be like this. Yeah, all right. So we don't use this, just put it 0 and click OK. Now I will teach you how to use shell. Okay, shell is also important, normally used to in the drawing. Yeah? We can click shell and we select the surface here. Okay, you see it will be like this, and you can change the thickness become 2, 3, and so forth. At 2 it will be thick, more thick. Give 3 become like that, and we can use it become 4, or it be like this. Okay, and if you want to okay, see, yeah, so you can click OK. All right, it normally I make it for make an aquarium, for example, a PC and so forth. Okay, this is shell. All right, now what else? The important one we can try to use. Okay, we do fillet for this. I mean fillet for this. Yeah, we want to make a fillet. Just click 2 millimeter, for example. Click here. This part. Yeah, this part. Bring it up. Okay, click it and click apply. So it will be like this. Yeah. Okay. All right. Now, The next step, we try to make another part here, make a sketch like previous lesson. We make a sketch in the flat surface. For example, here, this is the flat surface. We can click another object here. Also here also can, yeah. If you want to click here, for example, I want to make another part here. Click to the sketch and we click this part, and it will be our sketch. What's that? Our sketch surface. Project geometry will assist you when you want to create. You don't want to make another line. Just click project geometry. It will assist you to highlight. Yeah, because we want to draw, we sometimes need to touch this line. Okay. Now click to rectangle again. We click from here. Yeah, until here. Okay. All right. Now give the dimension for this. Okay, you can also from here to here also can, yeah. And we give it 20 for example. Okay, this is the same 25, right? On it because it already has a 25. Okay. Now we try to extrude it again. We make another part here, yeah. We make one center here. Okay, here. Okay, we try to extrude it again, finish sketch and extrude it again. We extrude this part, yeah, this part, yeah. You can select, yeah. If you want to repeat it, we click here, we delete it and do extrude again. This part, for example. If you want to extrude this part only, okay, repeat. Okay, just okay. Now we select this, click extrude again, part, this part, and this part. So this one you just leave it there and click OK. So our object will be like this. All right. Now we try to make a fillet. If you want to make it seems better, okay, it cannot. Yeah. If you see this one, the radius is too big. We need to reduce the size. For example, this one become 1. Is it possible? Also not possible. If you see, if not appear the preview, so it will not, cannot do it. For example, 0.2, for example, 0.2. Click, you cannot. 0.1. Okay, well, this part, for example. Oh, still can actually, but this one seems too small. Okay, we increase, yeah, we increase it, become 3, for example. Is it okay? So cannot. All right, now we give it the, for example, this part, yeah. We click the fillet, become 0.5. Try put it here. Like it. Oh, cannot, yeah. Okay, no problem. This one because of the size is too small. Yeah. All right. Now we try to use the another part here. Yeah. We use emboss. Yeah. Emboss is also maybe you can use to make your object. Okay, we need to make a new sketch first. Click this part. Okay, and we create one text here. Text. Click it here. Okay, and then we can put, for example, here's we can give the name U10. Okay, U10, and we can increase the size 6, for example. Okay, here it's quite big, yeah. Actually, we can reduce it and we can rotate it. Rotate it first. Click here. Yeah. Click rotate here and select the rotation axis here. Okay, we put like this. Okay, and then click done. And we reduce the size by click scale. Yeah, click scale, and then we can use we select the part here first, and then select base point, and we reduce it. Yeah, reduce this, reduce it. Scale factor 0.5 for example. So it will be not 0.5, 0.9, 0.9 and apply. Okay, and then we put it again here. Click move. Okay, click here, and we can do it for base point here. Bring it here. All right, and then click done. Okay, and then click finish, and we give the emboss. Emboss. We can select this object, and we can make it up or down. Yeah. If you want to make it up, just make it like this. Make it up. Maybe we can give it become 5. We try. So it will be like this. If you think this one is too big, I mean the size is not suitable, we can edit it. Become, for example, 2. Okay. So it will be like this. All right. Okay. This is the exercise to use what's that? Emboss, hole, and not hole. Yeah, we use what is it? Extrude, so forth. Okay. And we try to continue to make another exercise. We try to make a slab, log, yeah, and coil. Okay. Next video will be this one. I will stop it here and continue the next.